Alright, so this is a radio I chose. I went with the Sony because it supported Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I really just need the Apple CarPlay, and I also like how it has like the extra bass feature and all that. So I went ahead to go get this one. If you have the Bose audio in your G35, you're gonna want to get this ROEM NIS 2. It's just gonna make sure everything sounds proper. This right here is the JDM double dim bezel I got from Z1 Motorsports. It also came with the climate control and this little lanyard right here. This?
Probably.
Oh,
was right here.
dang, that just comes out.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Got it.
Oh, it came out pretty easy.
There you go.
Damn. No. Shit. I think I cleared it. Oh, it didn't break, it just fell off.
Alright. And these two.
Yeah. Oh wait, I don't know if something else to connect.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. All those wires.
Yeah, you want me to open it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'ma keep praying, I'ma keep hope up, I'ma keep faith. Still gonna be a pistol toe tuck, shoot him in his face. If he get in the way of the cake, beat him up for like at the mama. If it's a problem, I'm pulling out. Nigga, been around in London in the purple Montclair. Long blonde hair, I don't care.